What's up? What is good? What is going on in 2026? Welcome once again to your beautiful number uno YouTube channel, Gosa Chuma TV. As usual, you know I got so many content in my channel. Kuna vitu vingi sana. And today, I just welcome you to my kitchen session. What are we going to do here? Tunatengeneza kachumbari. Most of them, they call it salad. Lakini, kachumbari ni African salad. We're gonna put some stuff on it, decoration. Unajua kachumbari inapikwa, kachumbari si inakatakatwa tu. No, usikate nyanya, vitunguu nini ukamix and then you're gonna call it kachumbari. Today, I'm gonna teach you how we're gonna make it kachumbari. I'm your chef, president, Goza Chuma Jimbongo. Welcome board.